Kids, oceans are obviously occupying 70% of the Earth's surface, and they are deep, several kilometers deep in most places. What are they doing? They are already taking up more than 90% of the additional thermal energy we are trapping by increasing greenhouse gases, but they also take up 30% of the CO2 emissions we are putting into the atmosphere. This absorption of CO2 into the ocean depends on many factors. Of course, there's a lot of biology in the oceans, photosynthesis, which takes up CO2. That can be released near the surface, but if it sinks to the bottom, then it's gone away from the atmosphere for a long time. And the things that are life in the ocean consumes the photosynthetic product, carbohydrates, and respires it, which means it puts the CO2 back. Water easily dissolves CO2, so even if there is no biology, ocean is absorbing CO2. And we already know that there are places where the waters sink, and the waters that sink to the bottom or deeper depths take hundreds of years, sometimes 1,000 years to come back up. So ocean is also a very nice big storage of carbon dioxide. But with warming, the solubility of CO2 in the water goes down. Imagine a Coke can. You're keeping it cold and you're keeping it sealed because you have put CO2 at high pressure into it. And if you open the can, pressure decreases, so CO2 will begin to come out even if it's cold. If it's not cold, then CO2 will go out even faster. So deeper ocean is colder and it can keep a lot of CO2, and pressure increases as we go deeper and deeper. If you have gone diving, then you know that's what happens. And deeper oceans with high pressure and cold temperatures can keep a lot of CO2 there. But if we start warming the oceans, obviously the dissolution or the solubility of the CO2 decreases, so you will begin to belch out all that CO2. So whether the ability of the oceans to take up 30% of the carbon dioxide we are emitting continues or not depends on many of these things, because the warming is also damaging the photosynthetic organisms in the ocean, which means the ability to take up CO2 via photosynthesis also goes down. There are many other details we have to worry about, but just remember that warming the oceans is bad news for hiding away the carbon dioxide we are emitting so much.